Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you why are your headphones so quiet. So, the first thing you need to do is pairing your headphones to a different device. You need to check if it works flawlessly on a different device. If it works with ease actually, and you see that your sound is loud and clear, the issue is located on your phone. So check at first the app fold. If you are listening to music on some Spotify, try using some different application. Just check if it's your application fault. However, if it doesn't work just on your phone at all, you need to contact the phone support, because something is wrong with your phone. But if it works with ease actually, on some other device, on some other application, you need to report this issue to your former application that you've got very quiet audio. However, let's go back. If you see that your headphones don't want to work on a different device and on your device, both, you need to do something different. Try charging them up to 100%. Plug them to the power and wait. You need to just wait a few hours. After these few hours, check if it works. If it works, that's nice. If it doesn't want to work, you need to perform a factory reset. How to perform a factory reset? Find this buttons right here. This three. Hold this plus and this circular one for simultaneously for 5 seconds. And if it doesn't want to work after the factory reset, they need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Bye!